Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make wireframe 3D surface chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make wireframe 3D surface chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the chart option. And we can see here many charts. We find and select the surface chart. And select the wireframe 3D surface. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a wireframe 3D surface chart very easily. You can change the layout or color or style in this chart. Click the chart, then go to the design menu. Then click the style drop down menu, then choose another style. Otherwise you change the color. You can change the layout of this chart. Click quick layout drop down menu, then apply another layout. You can edit this chart title. Click the chart title, then select the text and edit this. Now we edit this data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse, then go to edit data. Now we edit data to use this sheet. Now we can see here we make a wireframe 3D surface chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.